Got to check out this new lake we have here. Don't even have a ramp in it yet, but we're gonna do some scanning and see what kind of bait we have and what kind of fish we have, and hopefully welcome a new lake to Beanville Outdoors.
See if we can see this gator in the water on live scope. There he is. Not too far.
Kicking his tail.
His little legs. There he is right there.
Goes down.
Look at that. I mean, look at that. Just keep on coming. You scan around. That's all the way around the boat. Which way am I moving with that?
They exist.
They
You know they exist.
They exist. Look at all those on the bottom. Right by this hump. Look at that. Right at that hump. Oh, too heavy to swing. Too heavy to swing. Fat belly. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look how chubby. This fish has only lived in this lake. Oh my God, look at its back now. Holy moly. Holy moly.
Good job.
All right, we did a quick run around the lake. We did a little bit of fishing, a lot of mapping. Come over here and take a look at what this map looks like. I'll go to it full page for you. This is the lake we were just in. And that's all the trails that we went on. We didn't fish a lot because we did a lot of driving, but we got it mapped. This pool will all be part of it soon, but currently that's not ready.
Other things right there.
Got a little sketchy.
Yeah, the things we do to find fish.
Mud was all the way up to there.